Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix submit info to access funds in PayPal. First, open the PayPal app or go to the PayPal website and sign into your account using your email address and password. Make sure you are logged in to the correct account where the message is shown. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard. Here, you will see notification that says submit info to access funds. Tap or click on this alert to open it and see what PayPal is asking for. Next, carefully check the information PayPal requires. In most cases, PayPal may ask for identity verification, proof of address, business details if you are using a business account, or transaction and supplier information related to recent payments. Read everything properly so you know exactly what needs to be submitted. After that, start submitting the required documents. Upload a clear photo of a valid ID such as passport, national ID, or driver's license. If PayPal asks for address proof, upload a recent utility bill or bank statement. Make sure the name and details on the documents match the name on your PayPal account to avoid delays. Then go to Settings, open the Accounts section, and check that your email address and phone number are verified. If they are not verified, complete the verification process now, because unverified contact details can also block access to funds. Now, once all the required information is submitted, wait for PayPal to review it. The review process usually takes 24 to 72 hours. During this time, keep checking your email because PayPal will send you an update once the review is complete. If the message does not disappear even after submitting everything, double check that all information is accurate and complete. Avoid using a VPN while accessing PayPal, as it can cause security flags. If the issue still remains, go to the Solution Center and contact PayPal support directly to get help and speed up the process. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.